Now let us learn the elimination method of solving the pair of linear equations into variables. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is the presentation visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See here, the question, one question we will take into consider. Here it is given to you that 5x minus 2y is equals to 14, 3x plus 5y is equals to 120. So here we'll multiply the equations with the suitable non-zero constants so that the coefficients of the one variable in the both equations become equal. Okay. Is my voice is
Okay,
audible
sir.
to you?
Yes,
Only my
sir.
voice is audible or anything other is audible?
So your voice is audible.
Okay. So here multiply the equations with the suitable non-zero constants so that coefficients of the any one variable. Here first equation is multiplied by 5, second equation multiplied by minus 2. So here first equation multiplied by 5 means the coefficient of y becomes 10, minus 10. And second equation when you multiply by minus 2, the second equation will become the y coefficient will become the minus 10. So these two equations are subtracted. Actually, it is not necessary to you to multiply by the only minus 2. You can multiply by the plus 2 also. Then you can add the equation. In that situation, you can add it. So here in this situation, x is equals to, you are going to get 31. 310 by 31. X is equals to 10. And solve the remaining variable. Substitute this obtained value of the variable in any one of the equations to solve the second variable. So this you have to substitute in any one of the two equations. We substitute in equation number 1. So 5 into 10 minus 2y is equals to 14. We are going to get 50 minus 2y is equals to 14. And we are going to get it as minus 2y is equals to 14. Y is equals to 14 minus 50, which is 36, and y is equals to 80. So this is the solution of the this equation. So whether it is right or wrong to verify, you have to substitute these values in the given equation. If the situation is given to you, in case the situation is given to you, instead of substituting in the given equations, better you substitute in the situation. As the question is given to you here in this situation, only the equations are given to you. So both equations we are getting true when you substitute it. So based on this, we are having the exercise 3.4 problems. So let us see the exercise 3.4 problems based on this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So elimination method here, it is not compulsory that in the elimination method you have to do the problems only in the same manner. Means all the students may not do the problems in the same manner. So there may be a little bit difference. Okay, I will show you to you the differences in the elimination method in the what way it will be done. Okay. Is the board visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So exercise 3.4
Yes,
see
sir.
here. Uh, in this first bit, the first problem you see here, starting x plus y is equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. This is the first equation. This is the second equation.
Sir, equation 1 is multiplied by 2, then it can eliminate it.
See, that's what I'm saying. Wait for a while here. So equation 1 can be multiplied by 2 and can be subtracted from the second equation. This is the one way.
So another way
Equation,
is in equation
equation 1
we
can
can
be
multiply.
multiplied by 3. Wait, Smriti, others will get. When I ask them, you give the answer. So when the equation number 1 is multiplied by 3 and added to the equation number 2, by adding, when you multiply by the 3, it becomes 3y. Here plus 3y, there minus 3y. In that situation, add the equations.
Plus and minus get
Equations when
cancelled.
you are adding, yes. Suppose if you are having with the same sign, in some situations, it is may not possible to us to multiply the only one equation. Two equations we have to, as the example problem is taken here. Their example problem where we have taken, there it is given that two equations we have to multiply. Otherwise, the coefficient of the one variable will not become equal. So in this situation, what you have to do? That is up to your choice. That's what I said, that the solutions may be different for one solution may be equal. The procedure, whatever adopting procedure for the students, different students may have the different solution, different method. Here, some students may multiply this one by the 1, 2. Some
Elimination
students
method,
may
sir.
multiply. Yes, in the elimination method answer. Elimination method. Substitution method. Procedure is same, method is same. But some students may adopt the multiplying the eliminating the y first. Some students may adopt the eliminating the x first. So whatever
Sir?
it may be the final solution, you are going to get the same solution. Yes.
So in case of y, there is 3, minus 3. So
Yes,
why
what?
cannot we multiply minus 3 with the equation 1?
Yes, you can multiply this one with the minus 3 and you can subtract it again. When you multiply by the minus 3, you have to subtract it. Coefficients, if you are making equal numerically, that's enough to you. So here, if I am multiplying the equation number 1. You have, better you write like this. Equation number 1 into number 2. Means 2 से multiply करके minus equation number 2 I am doing. This operation we are doing. So for this second equation, first equation 2 से multiply कर रहा हूँ. So total equation 2 से multiply कर लिया तो 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. And second equation subtract कर रहा हूँ. So as it is, you have to write the second equation. And this subtracting means when you are subtracting, the signs will change. So these two will get cancelled. So plus 2y plus 3y will become the plus 5y.
Plus 5y.
Minus 10 minus 4 will become the
6.
6. So y is equals to 6 by 5. So this y is equals to 6 by 5. Substitute in either equation number 1 or in equation number 2. Any one you can substitute. I am substituting in equation number 1. 5 x plus 6 by 5 is equals to 5. So x is equals to 5 minus 6 by 5, which is equals to 25 minus 6 by 5, which is equals to 19 by 5. So x is equals to 19 by 5. So that's all the solution. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.